Everybody, welcome to Fish Tubers Are Creators. Welcome to one of the final videos in the series. Right? The series started out asking individuals to share on different points in fish keeping, fish tubing, and their YouTube experience. Alright, so today's topic is not to go back as to what I have done or what persons have done, but to particularly converse with you on a topic that how a lot of persons considering. First thing I say, thank you to everyone that has opted to participate. I wish them well in their YouTube endeavors, and they have been invited because they are awesome fish tubers, fish keepers, YouTubers. Alright, so today's video is about why do you watch, why do you continue to watch, and why do you make videos. Now, a lot of persons watch videos for different reasons. Most of my students at school, they watch for entertainment. My daughter got an assignment the other day and on preposition in English language, and the best way for her to actually understand that particular topic was to put her on YouTube and get her to watch a video on preposition, right? And she actually understood the concept. So why do we watch? Persons watch for information, persons watch for entertainment, and certain persons watch because they find it a delight in messing around with persons' work, right? For me, it's all about sharing, getting to know persons. It's about experiencing that new arena wherein each persons outside of your geographical location actually does the same thing as you do. So you can actually try to do that. It's really difficult for you to actually apply all the strategies that have been shared from let's say that you're from Africa and you live in Alaska. It's really difficult for you to share all the ideas. However, the creativity, the concept resonates on the mind, and one can actually use that to try something for themselves. Okay, so that's practically why persons watch. Now, why do you actually create videos? Persons create videos because they have this urge to share. They believe that what they have is of value, and that they are not selfish, and that they really want to either make someone happy, make somebody smile, inform persons, help to educate, because the more educated you are is the better you are in actually reaching people, right? So that's practically why persons actually watch, why persons actually do videos. Why you continue to watch is because of several factors. One of the main factors why persons continue to watch videos, continue to return after their first visit to your channel, is that they find whatever you're saying to be truthful, to be honest, to it's like you have a love for what you do, right? So therefore persons believe that you are sincere, so they will always be coming back to check up on whatever you have to. Probably they are not like religiously coming every single video, but they are watching, right? This wasn't really in the title, but another thing in which one could look at is persons tend to comment when they find things interesting in what you're saying. A lot of persons are fearful in commenting whenever they believe that a backlash might exist in whatever they say. For example, let's say that I do a video on trolling, or for example, I did a video the other day where in which I actually directed my viewers to look at some music in which I dedicated to a particular troll, a group of troll of mine, right? A lot of persons might have actually seen the video. Some persons might feel disappointed in the video. Some persons might be excited about the video, but they won't share that in the comment section because they are fearful that the troll might end up becoming their troll. So therefore they just observe and they put the thumbs up, where you know the mind just bugs them too, or they do a thumbs down, right? This is a really really awesome experience. I appreciate you all for stopping by. It has been a pleasure of mine, and as I continue the course of this new year, other new series are coming up, such as Radio Talk Chat. It's like 10-15 minutes worth of talk. It should be interesting. That is coming up in sometime May, June. Uh, Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the year. Be kind, be courteous, and continue to love your fish. Is it? That's it, right, Rob? Right, and peace out. Cool.